Imagine being a president who was almost kidnapped as a child, built his own house, and later became a Nobel Prize winner. But that's not all. Jimmy Carter's life is packed with surprises you wouldn't believe. Let's dive into the incredible and unexpected facts about America's 39th president. Before he became president, young Jimmy Carter lived on a farm in rural Georgia. One day, as a small boy, he was almost kidnapped by a stranger while playing outside. But quick thinking and sheer luck helped him escape unharmed. This early brush with danger would later shape his resilience and courage. Did you know Jimmy Carter was a nuclear scientist? Before his political career, he served as a U.S. Navy officer and worked on America's nuclear submarine program. He was one of the first presidents to have formal scientific training, a true brainiac in the White House. Before politics, Carter returned to his family's peanut farm, where he worked tirelessly to turn it into a successful business. He was a hands-on farmer, and his experience with everyday struggles gave him a deep connection to ordinary Americans, a trait that set him apart in politics. As president, Carter focused on human rights and energy conservation. But what made him truly unique was his humility. He insisted on walking during his inauguration parade instead of riding in a limousine, and he sold the presidential yacht to save taxpayer money. How's that for relatable? Unlike many former presidents, Carter's greatest achievements came after he left office. He became a champion for peace and humanitarian work, earning a Nobel Peace Prize in 2002. Oh, and did I mention he personally helped build homes for Habitat for Humanity well into his 90s? Talk about hands-on leadership. Jimmy Carter's life is proof that greatness isn't just about being president. It's about courage, hard work, and putting others first. From surviving a kidnapping attempt to building houses for the needy, Carter showed the world that true leadership starts with humility and heart.